One thing I'm always looking for when I'm out and about around the garden is opportunities to layer on extra colour. And I've done it here by taking this lovely evergreen holly, which will have some berries later in the year, but provides some structure throughout the year. And at the base of it, planting this lovely perennial sweet pea. I raised this from seed, planted it at the bottom of the holly hedge or the holly shrub I've got here, and I've just let it scramble up and scramble over. And you can see these perennial sweet peas put on many yards of growth through the course of the year, and it's grown up. I planted it actually last year, and this year it's really come into its own, laying on these shoots, each of which is carrying dozens and dozens of flower heads of beautiful pink blooms. And because the stems grow longer and longer as we go through the season, it produces more and more flowers. So the flowering season just continues, and we're now through into August, and I've had flowers on this sweet pea for many weeks already. You could just look over here how I've got flowers, and I've got the new shoot getting longer and longer, producing more flowers, which are going to go on going right the way through August and hopefully into September. It's put on a massive amount of growth and just adds that extra overcoat of colour. The holly itself, yes, of course, it's a very attractive variegated leaf, but it really is enhanced by putting this extra layer of colour on. So if you've got an opportunity around your garden to plant something like the perennial sweet pea, perhaps some evergreen shrubs or some hedging or topiary, consider doing this. They're very easy to grow from seed, sown in the spring, grow the plants on. They take a little while to establish, and I found it in the second year, it really has romped away to put on the most magnificent flowering performance. I do hope you enjoyed this video and would be really grateful if you could click the thumbs up like button below right away. Thank you. We all want colour in our gardens and plants that bloom over a really long period too. So please check out some of the other videos in this series that highlight flowers for patio pots and container gardens, hardy plants that come back every year in your main flower borders, a perennial with fancy foliage and flowers for a shady position and early colour, something with great drought tolerance that looks wonderful even during the hottest summer weather, the perfect perennial climber to add height and impact as it layers on extra colour to your displays, and some great hardy perennials that will bring in the bees and beneficial insects to feed. You'll find these and many more videos on my channel at Adam's Gardening Guides, so please check these out and subscribe to my channel too, so you'll be the first to hear about new videos and plants to choose for your garden. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!